What's up, Bittorrent holder? The Bittorrent price is totally increasing now, hour by hour, minute by minute, and I am so happy, my brother, because I am also holder of Bittorrent. Bittorrent, the Chinese cryptocurrency, my friend, moving upward when they were starting hoarding, my brother, especially holder are starting hoarding, so the price will be increasing. And special news, my brother, for all of you, the CEO of Bittorrent, my brother, message and alert all holders to kindly holder, and those days if you hold, so they will give you guarantee, my brothers, to at the end of month Bittorrent will blooms up and they will give you a profit. So this is possible because, my brother, every coin will moving at this time, so I think this is my friend right, 100% right, my brother. And a holder, if you do this mistake what I talked to, so you cannot get a profit and you will completely lost. So try to understand, be safe from the loss, my brother. A lot of holders starting selling in those days, so I request you to kindly don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my brothers, the Bittorrent price will be increasing if you hold. So kindly, this is my personal experience, my friend. I share it now because this time, as you can see, the price of Bittorrent is completely increasing now. So 41.07% profit. It's not a small jump, my brother. It's a very huge jump, and just in only last 7 days. So I think Bittorrent will be again viral now, and they will give you a profit. So kindly, you need, my brothers, to wait for the end of month, and if you just only hold 1 month, so I will give you guarantee they will make you a millionaire now. Especially request you for all new holder to subscribe this channel. Please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my prediction is also more going up, my friend, positive. What's your price prediction? Share it in the comment box, and my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in the comment box. Allah Hafiz holder, please like video, and yes, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.